Hello, namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dolma and आज चाहिँ म के गर्न लागेको भने यो juicy fruit gum खाने हैन. I have it here. यो खायो मैले. अनि I'm gonna go in public place like grocery shopping tira, mall tira, and then like हिँड्दै हैन chewing पड्काउने, bubble blow गर्ने. And then I'll try to capture मान्छेहरुको रिएक्सनहरु है. And like not like normal chewing gum chew गर्ने हैन के, like you know पड्काउने के like गरेर हैन. अनि सकेमा I'll try to blow big bubbles हैन. And then त्यसो गर्दाखेरि like publicly कस्तो रिएक्ट गर्दो रहेछ भनेर. So त्यही हो. अनि अब अहिले चाहिँ हामी beaches जानु लाग्यो and then mall. You guys at beaches? I'm sorry guys, so I had to change the gum because your juicy fruits are like this side away. Okay, but I had to go with Tic Tac gum again. Tic Tac gum soft one is and so had to change the gum. So my 6-piece gum lego too. अब गर्दैखिन खाँदै जाने. अनि त्यही हो. If तपाईलाई interested, please keep on watching this video and let's hope go in the results, eh?
Seize the bomb. Seize the bomb.
Okay guys, so I'm Stop and Shop Maya. Let's start with Stop and Shop. Okay guys, beaches में पुग्यो अब है. अब beaches में पनि खिचौँ है मान्छेहरुको रिएक्सन. Lai mancari ya, jogam lesa try gan pedi.